Morning. I feel really bad, Theo.
What?
Last night I went a little crazy and I ate all your candy.
How would you eat that much candy? How in the world did you eat that much candy?
I was really hungry and it was so good. I'm so sorry. Are you mad at me?
I'm starting to think you're trying to joke around for a second. I'm starting to think you're joking around.
Why would I joke around about that?
Putting it in a purple basket.
I don't even know where that is. I threw all my garbage in the trash can and I took it out because I wasn't going to tell you, but I figured you were going to find out and I wanted to tell you before you found out. Do you still love me?
Yep.
You didn't really even like that candy, did you?
Pretty much over.
It was really good. You're so sweet for sharing. Next year we can get more. Right? And I promise I won't eat it all next year.
Okay.
Look at me. Are you crying?
I think I accidentally dropped it.
Are you mad at me?
At least the birds are still there.
What?
At least the birds are still there.
Oh. So you're not mad at me?
Yeah. No, I'm not. I'm not mad at you now that there's still nerds left.
You got one pack, so you're good?
Uh-huh.
Alright, phew.